Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, let's learn how to draw 2D shapes. Let's begin with colors. First we have red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, pink color. I'm drawing the shapes with black marker. The first shape is square shape. Now I'm drawing octagon shape. Which shape is this, kids? It's octagon shape. Octagon shape has got 8 sides. Triangle shape. Triangle has got 3 sides. Heart shape. Let's draw rectangle shape. Well done, kids. The last one is circle shape. Square, octagon, triangle, heart, rectangle, circle. Now let's start coloring the shapes. Red color for square shape. Red color for square shape. Let's color the octagon shape with orange color. Yellow color for triangle shape. Which color is this, kids? It's yellow color. Pink color for heart shape. I'm coloring the heart shape with which color? Pink color. Very good.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went.
Now let's use green color for rectangle. Kids, repeat after me. Green color.
It followed her to school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Blue color for circle shape. Blue color. Blue color.
Turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently.
Now let's learn the color names.
Patiently about and waited.
Red color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, green color, and blue color. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe. Bye bye.